One thing I'm very pleased about is the open access model that we've put in place for data and policy, which means that any author accepted for publication can publish on an open access basis, irrespective of their funding situation, irrespective of their affiliation. So it's an inclusive and equitable open access model. Second, that we've seen kind of year-on-year milestones in the sense that we've had an increasing number of submissions, an increasing number of publications, as well as impact in terms of citations and other metrics. But I think the most important thing of all, the degree of community buy-in that we've got. And we see the conference and the journal as mutually complementary venues. And with each iteration of the conference, we've done a bit more to try and improve the offering to authors in terms of the way in which the review and publication process between the conference and the journal is streamlined. And I think in that sense, 2024 was quite a big milestone. It was a record number of submissions to the conference, which will lead to post-conference publications. The journal has played a role in extending and developing the community, and I've been pleased that we've been able to engage editors and authors from different sectors and in different parts of the world. I would like to see us host more webinars and events around the publication of particular articles or special collections of articles. We started that this year with the paper on algorithmic attention rents. So not just seeing the publication of a paper as the end point of a process, but also the potential starting point of a new round of discussion about that particular issue. So there's been a huge momentum to not just open access to publications, but open research. So bringing greater degree of transparency to both the way in which research is conducted, the processes by which it's assessed, as well as the availability of different types of outputs, including data sets or code. And developing in that sort of open research direction, but doing so in a way that's nuanced and responding to the community needs is something that I think is going to be essential going forward to really sort of embed that principle of as open as possible, as closed as necessary. So I think one of the really exciting things about this community and the journal is this potential for exchange between academic research and policymakers, between research and practice. And I think we have a unique opportunity really to sort of develop that further with the expertise that exists within this community. One way in which we've tried to do that is through the publication of translational articles, so a format of publication that is focused on the lessons that can be learned through downstream use of data science in different settings. And I think that's something that we'd really like to develop going forwards.